Hello creative minds, welcome back to Style by Marvellgreg, where we share pattern drafting and sewing tutorials, everything fashion related. Today's project we're going to be learning how to make this skirt just like you're seeing here in this video, and this skirt can be made in any color of your choice and it's very easy. I'm going to be showing you the simplest method that you can come about making the skirt. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So yeah, I'm making use of an elastic for mine. I have my 1-inch elastic here, and I also have my Sunray fabric. So this fabric, you can get it in any market close to you, and I have about 2 yards here, so I'm going to be using just 2 yards. So I'll go ahead and measure the desired length that I want my skirt to be, and I'll go ahead and cut it out and come back to show you. So after cutting this out, this is what I have. So like I said, I'm using the full 2 yards. So there are two methods. You can go ahead and decide to go ahead and include a loose stitch on the waist area, then you go ahead and gather it to your desired waist length, or you can go ahead and fold it like this and create a channel for your elastic, and that is what I'm going to be doing, to create a channel for my elastic. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and hem the down part of my skirt. Then I'll go ahead and close my skirt. You know, my skirt has one opening because it's just 2 yards straight, so I'll go ahead and close it all the way around and fold the hem of my skirt. You can go ahead and weave yours. So next now is to go ahead and cut my elastic. So for my elastic, I'm going to take out about 4 inches from my waist, from the waist measurement I'm working with. So I took out 4 inches and I'll cut it out. Then I'll go ahead and join my elastic into 2. I'll top stitch on it and I'll come back to show you. So now I'm going to go ahead and impute it into my skirt. So as I'm imputing it into my skirt, I'm going to go ahead and be folding it. I've closed up my skirts, I've closed the hemline as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and insert my elastic, and guys, your skirt is ready. So as you're inserting your elastic, your skirt will be gathering to your desired waistline. So I'll go ahead and impute my elastic and I'll go ahead and fold it in like so. You can see that I've top stitched my elastic neatly. So I'll go ahead and impute my elastic and I'll go ahead and sew it all the way around, close it up at my waistline, and I'll come back to show you how it's looking. So guys, after I was done, this is how it's looking. You can see how beautiful our skirt has already turned out. So ensure that your elastic that you're cutting is you're minusing at least 4 to 5 inches, and voila guys, our skirt is ready. Very easy, right? So there are different methods that you can use to achieve this skirt. If you want, you can go ahead and try it out. So after doing this, what mine looks like, you can go ahead and pair it with any top of your choice, be it corset or any top of your choice, and it's going to really come out looking very nice. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll definitely be seeing you in my next tutorial. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and ask any question, and I'll be in the comment section to answer. Bye.